Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to deposit USDT on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap. After that, you just need to go and of course you'll have a screen like this in front of you, and you need to check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Uniswap, Trade, Explore, and Pool. We have the search tokens where you can go and search for tokens and swap anytime, anywhere. And in the top right corner, you can go and connect your wallet. So those are the things that you have in front of you. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and deposit USDT on Uniswap. So open the, of course, Uniswap and connect your wallet. In the top right corner, you can do that here. I have my wallet already connected, so you can go and click on MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, whichever you want. Then in your wallet, find the option to copy your wallet address. So go and open your wallet, and here you have the address. Just click on it, you copy it. And then this address will be used to send USDT to your wallet. Then go to USD wallet and initiate a transfer to the copied wallet address. Enter amount of USDT you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. Check your wallet to ensure that the USDT has been received. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.